Scheme, which is known as a pure functional programming language, where the functional paradigm is enforced to use the functions for every type of computation. Therefore, we cannot expect that much of reliability for our data by using scheme programming language. Smalltalk was the first object-oriented programming language which supports the concepts of data hiding by making its methods public and variables private. In C++, there can be two access modes known as public or private. The public and protected members of a base class are also public and protected respectively in a public derived class. C++ classes can be inherited by its child classes. Then, private members of a base class are inherited by a derived class. Here, we have given an example where subclasses inherit the access specifiers of the base class. C and Z are public as well as B and Y are protected. Derived classes of subclass 2 cannot have members with access to any member of the base class. PHP is a scripting language which uses 3 levels of access specifiers to control the level of visibility of its data. Those access specifiers are public, private, and protected. Java is the most widely used programming language for business applications. It uses 4 levels of access specifiers, namely private, public, friendly, and protected. If an attribute is private, then it cannot be accessed from outside the class. Likewise, a public attribute or method has the widest possible visibility and accessible everywhere. If no access specifiers are denied, then that member is considered to be a limited version of public accessibility known as friendly. That's the end of our introduction part. Now you may have got a clear picture of the ways in which data hiding is supported in the previously mentioned languages. Now we are going to analyze those identified techniques and do a comparison among them. We'll start with doing a comparison among Ada and other 9 languages. When Ada is compared and contrasted to Ruby, we can see that Ruby provides data hiding to a larger extent than Ada. This conclusion was made since Ruby uses 3 levels of access specifiers to control the extent to which the data is visible. When it comes to Ada versus Fortran, Ada is the one who is richer in the technique and tools that support data hiding. This conclusion was made since Fortran is no use of providing data hiding. Now we come to the comparison between Ada and Prolog. Just like Fortran, Prolog does not support information hiding at all. In this case, Ada is better than Prolog since it provides hidden data through the use of packages. We can conclude that C# is better than Ada in information hiding, as C# uses 4 levels of access specifiers, specifies visibility level of its method. Ada is better than Scheme with respect to information hiding, as Scheme lacks data hiding since it's a functional programming. Smalltalk contains many features for information hiding. Smalltalk is better than Ada in the case of data hiding. Ada uses package concept to provide hidden data, and C++ uses access specifiers to achieve visibility level. Thus, C++ is better than Ada in information hiding. Ada provides data hiding to smaller extent than PHP. and also PHP uses access specifiers. Therefore, PHP is better than Ada in information hiding. Java supports many features than in any other languages. Therefore, Java is stronger than Ada. Ruby provides data hiding by the use of access specifiers. Fortran doesn't support data hiding. Therefore, Ruby is very much better than Fortran in data hiding. Prolog also does not support data hiding. Regarding information hiding, C# is better than Ruby. In the case of providing hidden data, Ruby is much better than Scheme. Both Ruby and Smalltalk uses access specifiers to provide data hiding. Java is the best and richer language which supports data hiding to greater extent. When it comes to data hiding techniques, PHP is much stronger than Ruby. Fortran does not support data hiding. Therefore, we can conclude that all the other languages are better than Fortran when it comes to data hiding, and also all the other languages are stronger than Prolog in data hiding. C# consists of very high-level techniques that support hiding its data. Therefore, C# is very flexible and portable. C# is very applicable to use whenever we want data hiding to the largest extent. Smalltalk is the first object-oriented programming language. C# is also OOP language but comes with new data hiding mechanisms. C# slightly differs from C++ regarding data hiding techniques. Anyhow, C# is flexible in the case of data hiding than C++. C# is better than PHP in the case of data hiding, and also it is much closer to Java. Scheme does not contain much of high-level data hiding techniques. Data hiding in C++ and Java are stronger than in Smalltalk. C++ has powerful techniques to improve its ability of providing hidden data than PHP. Since Java is the most used language in developing business applications, it gives us more reliable and efficient ways of data hiding, and it achieves this goal in a very much similar way in which it does. Finally, we can say that C# and Java accomplish this objective in a similar way. Now we have come to the end of our presentation, and we would be really appreciating you if you can leave us a comment on what we have done so far. Thank you.